Innovative machine learning projects for 2024. Healthcare diagnostics. By leveraging advanced algorithms and deep learning techniques, researchers are developing AI models that can accurately diagnose diseases and predict patient outcomes with unprecedented accuracy. Autonomous vehicles. The future of transportation is autonomous, and machine learning is playing a crucial role in making this vision a reality. From self-driving cars to intelligent drones, machine learning algorithms are powering the next generation of autonomous vehicles. Personalized education. With the rise of online learning platforms and personalized education solutions, machine learning is transforming the way we learn. By analyzing students' learning styles, preferences, and performance data, AI-powered systems can create personalized learning experiences tailored to each individual's needs. Predictive maintenance. In the realm of industrial operations, predictive maintenance is a game changer. By using machine learning to analyze equipment data and detect patterns of failure, companies can predict when machinery is likely to break down and proactively address maintenance needs. Financial fraud detection is a critical issue for financial institutions, and machine learning is helping to combat this problem. By analyzing transaction data and identifying suspicious patterns, AI algorithms can flag potential fraud in real time, protecting consumers and businesses from financial losses. Climate change modeling is one of the most pressing challenges of our time, and machine learning is being used to tackle this global issue. By analyzing vast amounts of environmental data, AI models can predict future climate trends, assess environmental risks, and inform policy decisions. Supply chain optimization. In today's global economy, supply chain optimization is essential for businesses to stay competitive. Machine learning algorithms can analyze supply chain data, predict demand fluctuations, optimize inventory levels, and streamline logistics operations. Conclusion. In conclusion, the future of machine learning is bright, with a vast array of innovative projects on the horizon.